you think you're going to color that in later?
Wow.
Yeah. Oh, yay, 2 peeps. And then, yay, look at this.
A carrot?
Carrot.
Is that a carrot?
Cool confetti that I want to eat. Yay, 3 boxes.
Oh my goodness, another Peeps?
Yum, I always like these. And this, yum.
Wow.
Elastics?
Yeah,
Cool.
shaped like an egg. You know, you don't have to take them all out.
This is so fun. I wonder if Ellie got any.
Wow. That's a lot.
A lot.
Look at
So
that big
this-
basket. Whew,
Wait,
look.
did you get me all these?
Me and Mommy.
You sent it? How? So did the parents have to get the candy?
Well, no, the Easter Bunny put the eggs outside
Magdalena, you know who Magdalena is.
from your school.
She's so lucky. The Easter Bunny doesn't come to her house, so guess what?
What?
Her dad's the Easter Bunny. So she's lucky.